Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to transfer USDT from Binance to PayPal. So to get started with it, guys, so the first thing to do is to log to Binance. So go to wallet, then tap on funding on spot. So once that is done, tap on deposit and select USDT. Then from there, choose the correct network, so pick ERC20 for PayPal. Then tap copy your USDT deposit address, then open your PayPal app, then tap finances, select USDT. After that, tap transfer out or send to external wallet. So after that, you have to enter the Binance wallet address. So to do this, paste the USDT deposit address from Binance, then confirm the network, which is ERC20, to avoid losing a fund. Then after that, you have to enter the amount to send. So input how much USDT you want to send PayPal, and we show the network fee before sending. Then after that, you have to review or confirm, double check the amount, the wallet address, the network type, then tap on send. And sometimes the processing times just takes few minutes and you have your money in your account. And that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.